back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Today we have a recipe video and we'll be making pan fried potato recipe. Sisi Yemmie, who is a food and lifestyle blogger, shared this recipe on her channel a few days ago, I think, and I decided to recreate it. So without further ado, let's get into it. For this recipe, you definitely need, some ingredients to do all of this, and we'll be starting off with some Irish potatoes, chicken, gizzard, red bell peppers, chili peppers, onion, carrots, green peas, vegetable oil. You also be needing some tomato paste, and then for the condiments, black pepper, stock cubes, curry, thyme, Italian spices, all spices, and some salt to taste. Yeah, so I literally just season my chicken and gizzard with all of these condiments that I just mentioned, and then I'm going to add about half a cup of water to it, because chicken and gizzard tend to produce their own liquid, basically when they are boiling. So yeah, while it's boiling, I'm going to tackle the Irish potato by cutting them into large chunks, because we're not about to be so serious here, okay? Oh yes, I said that. So in large chunks, I'm just going to add water to it and add some salt, and basically bring it to a boil. So you need to boil it before you fry it. I mean, you guys can go and watch it on Sisi Yemmie's channel. That's what she said. That is what we are doing. So yeah, add a bit of salt to it, and I'm letting it boil. This is what our chicken looks like, and our Irish potato when it's 90% or 80% boiled, because I didn't want it done already. So for this recipe, you definitely need a pan. I decided to go in with my frying pan, which is a bit wet. As you can see, I'm trying to let it dry off, because you don't want things being clean on you and causing kitchen hazard and all of that. So I'm going to add some vegetable oil to this. Yes, vegetable oil. And then I would fry my chicken, more like stir fry it with some what do they call it, with some onion, and I'll just fry it, and then add my bell peppers, chili peppers, and tomatoes that I'll be using. And it just makes a lot of things, it just makes it easier for the flavors from the chicken to get into your veggies. You know what I mean? We need to have this flavor up and down. Anyways, for this particular recipe, you guys, let me tell you, my housemates really loved it. They gave me awesome feedbacks, I'm not even going to lie. So you should try it out. Tag me on Instagram, and just leave a comment below and like this video if you haven't liked it yet. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already, because I'm low-key judging you. Yes, I'm low-key judging you. And watch out for new recipe videos coming soon, and other content that I'll be putting out here soon, even though Corona has not allowed us to be productive, but it's not an excuse. It's really not an excuse. So yeah, can you guys see those colors? Yeah, they were actually popping. Anyways, so my pan was actually very small to continue, so I decided to get a bigger pot so that everything could fit in. So I started off with my tomato paste inside the oil. This oil I'm using is actually the oil from the stir fry of the chicken and everything, just so there's flavors everywhere, and everything is just going hand in hand. So I'm just going to fry this. It's very crunchy. That's because that's how I love my tomato paste, really fried, no excuse. And that's it. So after I'm done frying, I'm going to add the potatoes inside, and then fry everything together, and add carrots, green peas, and I'm also going to add I'm going to add the chicken and bell pepper mix together, and the colors was just great, you guys. The aroma at my apartment at this time was bomb. I cannot even tell you people, but it was bomb. And for this food, for this recipe, my housemates, they gave me accolades. They were like, girl, this one, yeah, it hits different. So anyways, my housemates and I have been doing something different. Like, we've been trying different recipes, doing things that we usually wouldn't do during this quarantine period. And it's actually, very, very, how do I say, it's super nice, because some of the things that we didn't think that we could do, we are doing it now. And most of it is actually trying new recipes. The other way we can make donuts and the rest of it. And I challenge you guys, do it. Like, just do it. So if you make this recipe and your family and friends don't like it, I don't know what to say, because we really don't have so much of potato, recipes, and finding something different is really great. Really, really great. So if you love this, please give this video a like, leave a comment. I wanted to say give it a comment, but anyways, leave a comment below, and at the same time, subscribe to my channel. Like, if you're not subscribed, like, sis, bro, I'm judging you. Like, just subscribe, okay? And yeah, that's basically, we had this for dinner and it tasted super amazing. Let me know if you tried this exact recipe. Yeah, I'll also link Sisi Yemmie's video below. Check it out. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in my next